This is your introduction to the magic of letting computers handle your repetitive chores. Welcome to automating repetitive tasks in Python. Ever get bored copying data, renaming files, or sending the same messages over and over? Today, you will learn how Python can help save you time by automating these boring, repetitive tasks. You do not need to be a programmer yet, you just need curiosity. Let's begin our automation adventure. Running the cell now. Practice. What is one task you often repeat on your computer? Jot it down. If you are excited, like this video or leave a comment to say hello. Let's start by letting the computer say hello for us. We use print to show a welcome message automatically, instead of typing it every time. Printing is a way to give information to the user, like a quick note on your screen. Running the cell now. See how easy that was? Try changing the message and running it again. Here's why automation matters in real life. Why automate? Automation means computers do small, repeatable chores for us. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and lets us focus on fun or important stuff. You can use automation for renaming lots of files, sending reminders, filling out forms. Let's see basic Python tricks for these tasks. Running the cell now. Let's see how Python repeats steps for us. Loops are a tool that repeat actions for you. This loop repeats 5 times, printing a message with the count each time. Automation often uses loops to save us from typing the same code again and again. Running the cell now. Try changing the number 5 to another number and see how many times it prints. Let's automate sending reminders to our friends using a list. Lists help us keep track of several items, like names of friends. Here we made a list with 3 names. We use a loop to go through each name in the list. The computer prints a reminder for each person automatically. Running the cell now. Add your name to the list and see your reminder appear. Input lets you set up automation that changes based on answers or choices. How input helps automation? Python can ask you for information, then use it many times. Input is a way to interact with your script. Let's try it below. Running the cell now. Get ready to type your favorite treat when prompted. Now the script asks you for your favorite snack. It then repeats a fun reminder 3 times, using what you answered. This shows how input and loops can personalize automation. Running the cell now. Try a different snack next time or change how many times the message appears. Let's combine what we have learned to make more personal messages. Let's use the same friends list and your snack answer. A loop sends each friend a custom message with their name and your snack. Personal touches make automation more helpful. Running the cell now. Practice, add more friends or change the snack and see how the messages change. Math is another big job computers are great at automating. Automating repetitive math. What if you have a list of numbers and want to add the same bonus to each one? Let Python do it. Running the cell now. Let's imagine you walk every day and get a bonus just for fun. Here is a list holding step counts for each day. We want to give ourselves a little bonus for each day. We set up an empty list to hold our new numbers. The loop goes through every step count and adds 500, then saves the new amount. At the end, we print out the new step count with the bonuses. Running the cell now. Try changing the bonus amount or the daily steps for practice. Automation can also help you pick out only what you care about. Let's filter your step counts to find days when you move the most. This example keeps only step counts above 5,000. The active _days list will hold these special days. Finally, the computer shows you which days were extra active. Running the cell now. Change the number 5,000 and see which days get selected instead. It is important to keep your automation from breaking if data is missing. Safely accessing data. Sometimes, data might be missing. Python can help you avoid errors when something is not there. Let's see a safe access pattern. Running the cell now. Try asking for a friend's reminder by typing a name. The script asks who you want to find in your friends list. If the name is there, it says it found them and sends a reminder. If the name is not there, it reminds you to add them to the list. This is a safe way to handle missing information. Running the cell now. Next, try adding the missing friend and searching again. Lists can be adjusted automatically as people come and go. You can automate updates, like adding or removing names from a list. Friends.append adds Maya to the end of the list. We print the list to check Maya was added. Friends.remove removes Eva from the list. After removing, we print again to see the change. Running the cell now. Practice, try adding yourself to the list or removing another name. Using built-in functions to automate better. Python comes with handy functions to save you even more time. Let's use len to count things and sorted to put them in order. Running the cell now. Let's use the computer to count and organize our friends instantly. Len gives you a count of all the items in the list, so you know how many friends there are. Sorted puts your friends in alphabetical order for you, which helps with neatness or finding a name fast. Running the cell now. Count and sort your snack list, step list, or make a new list to try these functions. Python can crunch numbers for you with just one word. Sum is a built-in function that instantly adds up all numbers in a list. It is the fastest way to get a total, so you do not have to do it by hand. Running the cell now. What else could you total up with sum? Automation with comprehensions. Comprehensions make short, powerful automation. They create new lists from old lists in one line. Try one example below. Running the cell now. Let's see a faster way to automate changes to a whole list. This one-liner creates a new list that is double every day's steps. Comprehensions are quick, clear, and great for automation. Try changing the formula to multiply or add something else. Running the cell now. Replace steps with steps with bonus or another list for extra practice. Let's try using a comprehension to select special days. This comprehension keeps only the days your step count was an even number. Filtering helps you automate finding just what you need from big piles of data. Running the cell now. What other filters could you try? Try making a list with only high-step days. Let's build a helpful tool to send birthday wishes with no effort. In this mini-project, we create a small dictionary matching each friend to their birthday. Loops help us go through every friend and print a custom birthday note automatically. Imagine using this to never miss a friend's birthday. Running the cell now. Practice, add your own birthday or more friends to the list. Let's put your new skills together for a real-world use. This part of the project asks the user for a name, checks if their birthday is stored, and gives you the answer right away. If the name is not in the dictionary, it gives a friendly reminder to add it later. This is automation for remembering important events and people. Running the cell now. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. You will never forget a birthday again. Let's see how to avoid common errors with a safety net. Automation needs to be safe from mistakes. If you type something that is not a number, the script catches it and asks you to try again. This is called error handling and keeps your automation from crashing. Running the cell now. Try typing text instead of a number and see what happens. Now, make your own mini automation with a function. Functions help you save tasks you want to do often, like saying hello. Def means defining the function, and each time you call it, the greeting prints automatically. Try making your own function for reminders or chores. Running the cell now. What task would you put in a function to save time? Try out this challenge and let the computer ask and collect answers for you. This script automates the process of asking questions, collecting answers, and showing the results. Great for simple surveys or check-in forms. Imagine doing this with hundreds of questions or people. Python saves you so much time. Running the cell now. Make up your own questions and try again. Recap: you are ready to automate. You learned how to automate repetitive tasks with loops, lists, input, and built-in tools. You built birthday reminders and filled forms the easy way. Every task you automate is a little more free time for you. Keep practicing and try automating something new today. Running the cell now. Thanks for watching. Rock it! Like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the lesson. Tell us in the comments what you want to automate next. Happy automating! Running the cell now. See you for more Python lessons soon.